It is my pleasure to explain a project in front of you. Welcome, sir.
We are Shamni and Ishta from Class 6 Saj. Today we are excited to present our science project. Our project focus on Peltier fridge. We hope this project impresses you. Today we are presenting a compact and energy efficient fridge based on Peltier technology, also known as thermoelectric cooler. The Peltier module operates on the principle of Peltier effect. The term Peltier comes from the French physicist Jean-Charles Peltier. A Peltier device can be programmed to cool only specific area. It allows instant cooling electricity at lower cost.
Thermoelectric cooler operate according to the Peltier effect. The effect creates a temperature difference by transferring heat between two electric junctions. A voltage is applied across joint conductor to create an electric current. When a current flows to the function of two conductor, heat removed from one junction and cooling occurs.
Heat deposits to the another junction. So here we propose a mini cooler fridge that can cool drink easily. Uses:
the Peltier cooler has been applied to niche areas such as infrared detector, CPU cooler, wine cellars, etc.
Because of the cooling power lower than the compressor-based refrigerator, lifetime typically over 100,000 hours. Thank you.